I got you guys into this mess, and I'm gonna get you out. What a brave baby. Bring fresh diapers! Ha! Who goes there? It's me, Tommy. I am Angelanik of the North. Why came you unbidden to my snowbound kingdom? Huh? What are you doing here? Oh, our sled crashed and it's cold and we're all out of Reptar bars. You weren't on your way to the North Pole to see Santa Claus, were ya? Well, yeah, we were. Baby, this is your lucky day. Angelanik of the North is going to save you and your friends, and we're all gonna go to the North Pole. We are? Yep. Say, why are you helping us like this? Oh, no special reason. I mean, the North Pole is where all the toys in the world are kept, but really, I'm just doing it because I'm your friend, Tommy. Gee, thanks! December 33rd. Still no sign of Tommy, but I feared all hope was lost. Where do you think Tommy is? Maybe he got eaten by polar bears. Or wolves. Or the abominable snowman. Or a penguin. A penguin? I think we gotta go find him. Why you wanna go find a penguin? Come on! And so we was off in search of our lost companion. Anybody for a Reptar bar? Yeah! Not so fast! If I'm gonna do something for you, then you gotta do something for me. December 156. With the help of Angelica of the North, we was once more headed for the pole. As much as I feared her strange wintry ways, I sensed her spirits would turn us well. What's the holdup? We're lost. You dumb babies. How hard can it be to find the North Pole? All you gotta do is go north. Let's face it, no one knows where we're going. We're just gonna keep going around in circles till we freeze. Well, not me. I quit. You can't quit. I can too. And that's just what I'm gonna do. Wait, Chuckie, look. The North Pole. Come on, you guys. Wait a minute. If this is the North Pole, where's Santa's house? I don't see nothing. No toy factory, no funny little elves, not even a lame old reindeer turd. And where's Santa Claus' house, huh? Where's Santa Claus? Oh, no, you guys. Don't you see? What? We must have got turned around somewheres. This isn't the North Pole at all. It's not? No. It's the South Pole. Great. You babies have done it again. Wait, don't you see what we did? Made another big mistake. Got ourselves lost forever? No! We done the impossible. We faced the elephants, beat up the odds, and dared to cross the frozen wilderness. So? We done something no other babies have ever done before. We discovered the South Pole! Yay! What's that? Oh no! You done the snowman! He lives down here, you know.
Hey, kids. Having fun? Maybe it's time you sprouts came inside to warm up.
No toys. Not one single measly toy. At least we had fun. And my grandpa fixed Chuckie's fire truck so we didn't even have to bother Santa. March 1st. Our ordeal is over. We have rumbled with the naked North. And this time, at least, we have won.
Show this.